Hello, welcome to Learning Together. Today we are going to learn how to protect sheet in Excel. We have data of students. Student marks we are having for 3 subjects. Here now first we will calculate the total using sum function. Equal to sum, select the data and enter. Then calculate the average. Equal to average, open the bracket, select the data and close the bracket. Enter. Now we have total marks of the student and average of the students. Change the decimal point. After the decimal place we have many digits. So change it to 1 digit as per the requirement. Now the teacher should change only the marks. That means she can enter only the marks. So select the student marks. Right click. Go to format cells. Click on protection and uncheck the locked. Click OK. That means we are not locking the marks, so that teacher can enter. Now go to review, protect sheet and enter the password. Make sure you remember the password. We are protecting the sheet with this password. Click on OK. Re-enter the password to proceed. Click OK. Now try to change name. It will give you the message. The sheet, the changes cannot be done because it is on protected mode. To make the changes, you should unprotect the sheet. Marks you can edit because we selected that cells and we unchecked the locked. Now students we cannot change. Students names, total, average and subject names we cannot change. Now right click on sheet and unprotect it. Click on unprotect sheet, enter the password, then click OK. That means you unprotect the sheet. Now you can edit everything. Now changing the subject name. Now again protect the sheet. That means you are locking again. Protect sheet, enter the password to unprotect the sheet. Now confirm the password by re-entering. Now you cannot change it. So you lock the cells again. Only the subjects marks can enter. Hope you like the video.